Okay. Design of we'll go for the design of slow sand filter. So initially I have given the different steps. So for the first step to solve that is the population and the rate of water supply is given. So you have to find the initially you have to find the average daily demand, that is the population into rate of water supply, that you should get in a liter per day. Then you find the maximum daily demand, so Q max is equal to 1.5 times the Q average, or like between 1.5 to 2.5 times the Q average. So normally it is according to the value which is given in the question. Okay. Now third step is Q max. You convert into liter per hour, means divide by 24 divide by 24. Then you have to find the total surface area of the all the filter, total surface area of the slow sand filter, by using this formula Q max by rate of filtration. So you will get a total surface area. Now you have find out the total surface area. You have to find the surface area of the each unit, means how many in the each unit, what is the surface area. That is A is equal to n minus 1. That is n is the total number of the filter units which is given in the question, and 1 is you have to keep for the standby unit for any repairs if breakdown it is needed. The sixth step is a ratio of length. So breadth is L is equal to 1.5. 1.5 should be provided 1.5 to 2 between times the B. So L, if it is common, it is used as L is equal to 2 in B. So depends on the question. Then you have to find the width of the slow sand filter. So you will get a find the L you have find out, B you will find, then you assume depth and provide a freeboard for the extra for the slow sand filter. Then one more thing is you have to provide additional unit as a standby, so that it can be operated during breakdown, repairs and cleaning operation. Finally show the line diagram having total number of filters to be designed. Now we will go for the question. So design 6 slow sand filters. See, 6 slow sand filter units for the following data. So water works for a town of population is 50,000. Population is given, that is 50,000. Per capita demand, that is 150 LPCD. Rate of filtration is given 180 liter per hour per meter square. Length of each bed is given, that is L is equal to 2 into twice the width, 2 into B. L is equal to 2 into B. And a maximum demand, assume maximum demand as 1.8 times average daily demand, that is Q max is equal to 1.8 times Q average. And also you have to assume 1 unit out of 6 unit, means 6 unit will be kept as a standby. So 1 out of 6, 1 will be kept as a standby unit. So all the data you write it right. Then first step, you are according to the design consideration. First step, you have to find average daily demand, see the design data and solve that. So first one, it is population into rate of water supply. Rate of water supply is 150 LPCD. It is given in the question, and the population is also given 50,000. Then solve that, you will get in the MLD 7.5 MLD. Then find the maximum daily demand. In the question it is already given, that is a Q max is equal to 1.8 times the Q average. Directly substitute this Q average, directly substitute that, you'll get a maximum daily demand. Then the third step is you convert into liter per hour. So divide by 24, you will get 562.5 into 10 to the power 3 liter per hour. Then you have to find the total surface area of all the filter. So use the formula Q max by rate of filtration. So you will get total surface area of that filter unit is 3125 meter square. Now you have find out the total surface area. Now individual area you have to find out of each unit. So formula is A is equal to n minus 1. N is 6 filter units you have, so 6 minus 1, that is 625 meters square per unit. After that find the length and the breadth of that. So L is already given in the question, it is twice the width. So L is equal to 2 into B. Find the B, then L you find out. Assume the depth as 2.5 meter and freeboard as 0.5 meter. So provide 6 filter unit with 1 standby unit. Already given in the question that one you have to provide 1 standby unit. So L into you size of the filter and arrange it in a series in 3 unit on each side. Okay, so the line diagram is like this: inlet, outlet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 filter units you have, and that one you have to provide is standby you are providing if there is any breakdown. So one more thing you have to note down is the term n minus 1 is not applicable for a set of filter bit, that is 2 filter units. So see, if in the question it is given 6 filter units, so in the question if it is given like a set of filter unit, a set of means 1, if it is given like that, then you cannot substitute as n minus 1 to find the surface area there. So you have to take it as A by 2 is equal to A. Okay, so we can provide 2 plus 1 unit in the series. So similar way try to solve the second question. Okay, we'll stop now.